Technology for Professional Development by Troy Brown. Overview. Benefits of using technology for professional development. Examples: Twitter, blogs, MOOCs, webinars. Benefits of using technology for professional development. Reach larger crowds. Accommodate busy professionals. Flexibility. Professionals learn when time permits. Twitter. Professionals share announcements and reminders about events. Engage in meaningful dialogue about topics and students' work. Promote field and build a community with hashtags. Examples: professionals can live tweet a conference using the same hashtag. Collaboration and networking opportunities. Share resources among colleagues. Blogs. Informal and personal commentary equals community building. Hub of ideas and perspectives. Engagement tool for sharing, reflecting, debating. MOOCs. Massive open online courses, typically free without college credit. Fee-based courses include college credit. Professionals teach employees more specialized courses. Accessible to thousands of professionals. Webinars. Web conferencing tool used to keep professionals informed about current skills and knowledge. Examples of web conferencing tools: Adobe Connect, Blackboard Collaborate. Benefits: interactivity between participants is flexible. Recorded webinars allow professionals to replay the session.